Samsung just leaked something that makes the iPad Pro M4 look like a digital notepad. If you were about to drop $1,200 on a new tablet, stop. You need to see this first. We're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Device that isn't just a tablet. It's a direct assault on the laptop market. I'm talking about a screen so bright it rivals professional monitors and a chip that shouldn't even be inside a device this thin. Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're going deep into the ultimate powerhouse of 2026. Asterisk for years, the tablet world has been a two-horse race. But with the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, Samsung is changing the track entirely. Let's start with the thing you'll be staring at all day, the display. We've seen AMOLED before. But the S12 Ultra is rumored to be the first Samsung tablet to adopt the Tandem OLED technology. If you're not a tech nerd, here's why that matters. It uses 2 layers of OLEDs instead of 1. This means double the brightness, significantly longer life for the panel, and HDR performance that will literally make your eyes pop. We're looking at a 14.6-inch canvas with a peak brightness that could hit 2,000 nits. Whether you're editing 4K footage in the sun or watching a movie in a dark room, this is objectively the best screen ever put on a mobile device. But a big screen is useless without the brains to back it up. Last year, Samsung made waves by using MediaTek chips in the S11 series. But for the S12 Ultra, the rumors suggest a massive return to form. We are expecting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 or, as some call it, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This chip is built on a 3nm process that is designed for one thing: sustained performance. While the iPad's M4 chip is a beast, Apple's software often holds it back. Samsung is doing the opposite. They are tailoring One UI 8.5 specifically to unleash this hardware. We're talking about a device that can run 3 professional apps side by side without even getting warm. Now, let's talk about the design, because this is where things get premium. The S12 Ultra is expected to follow the lead of the S26 Ultra phone by introducing a titanium frame. This isn't just for show. A 14.6-inch tablet is huge, and by using grade 5 titanium, Samsung can make it lighter than the current model, while making it virtually impossible to bend. Imagine a device thinner than your smartphone, but with the structural integrity of a high-end laptop. The bezels, even thinner. Samsung is pushing for a screen-to-body ratio that makes the display look like it's just floating in your hands. But here's the real pro feature that everyone is sleeping on: the redesigned S Pen Pro. For the S12 Ultra, Samsung is allegedly working on an S Pen with haptic feedback. When you draw on the screen, the pen will vibrate subtly to mimic the feel of paper, graphite, or even a paintbrush. This is a game changer for digital artists in the US and Europe, who have been stuck with the glass and plastic feel for a decade. Plus, with the new AI integration, the S Pen can now predict your strokes before you even finish them, reducing latency to a level where it feels faster than real ink. Speaking of AI, let's get into the brain of this machine. Galaxy AI 2.0 is going to be the heart of the S12 Ultra. We're not just talking about circle to search or translating text. We're talking about live multitasking. Imagine you're in a Zoom meeting on one half of the screen. The S12 Ultra will record the meeting, transcribe it in real time, and create a summary in your Notes app on the other half automatically. For students and professionals in premium markets, this isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about saving hours of work every single week. Let's address the elephant in the room: battery and charging. A 14.6-inch Tandem OLED screen and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip are thirsty. Samsung is rumored to be bumping the battery capacity to 12,000 mAh. But the real upgrade is the charging speed. I've seen 45 West charging for years, but the S12 Ultra might finally jump to 65 West fast charging. In a world where we're always on the move, being able to get 50% charge in 30 minutes on a tablet, the size is a massive win. And for the creators out there, the camera system is finally getting the respect it deserves. We're expecting a dual lens setup on the front, optimized for center stage style tracking, and a 200 MP main sensor on the back. Now I know what you're thinking. Who takes photos with a tablet? You don't, but you do scan documents. You do use AR for interior design, and you do use it for high-end video calls. This camera system is built for the professional who needs clarity, not just good enough for a quick snap. So, when can you get your hands on this? Based on Samsung's release cycles, we are looking at a late 2026 launch, likely alongside the next generation of foldables. As for the price, quality doesn't come cheap. The US expect the base model to start around $1,299. It's a steep price. But when you consider that it replaces your laptop, your drawing tablet, and your home theater, the value proposition starts to make sense. If you've stayed with me this far, you're clearly a power user who wants the best. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just an update, it's a statement. Samsung saying they are no longer content with being the best. Android tablet, they want to be the best computer, period. Asterisk. So what do you think? Is the titanium frame and tandem old enough to make you ditch your iPad or your MacBook? Or is 14.6 inches just too big for a tablet? I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I respond to as many as I can. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Tap Tech. It really helps the channel out.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.